Previously, in part 1.
Yagga.
Guten Abend, meine Liebe. We will set sail for Jamaica. Ja?
Yagga.
Oh ja, meine Liebe.
Maybe one day. Because if I were to come to Switzerland right now, my only focus would be to hunt and track down that Booga Yagga Johnny and put up.
And I am mastermind. Never plan.
What that have to do with nothing? May I ask you for your money? Cause he's a little youth and he's a big movie star. And he's a rock star.
It's like a tunnel me I look down, Virgin, and I pray my future. It's like, where do I go from here? Our next? Me I listen. They are wait for the party and they say carrot I go foreign.
So all of the things not now going for you. I tell you Jamaica, my virgin. You got Switzerland right now. He's a multi-million-dollar superstar, mega star.
Foreign, mega star, millionaire. And that me I deal with.
Holy mackerel, I can't believe you are mine.
This a man who put the carrot in the juice. But have the millions of fans of Switzerland where you talk about.
They're calling out the mission star.
Ginger, yo, man, show you say.
That carrot, no, man, Chop.
Just want to tell you say. Me I left tomorrow.
And now, the second half of the Booga Yagga Saga.
Yo, me have to deal with a little boy. I'm on a mission right now.
They look like they're upon a serious mission.
How you deal it? I just pose up in front of my yard them way.
After when you I said to myself for a long time, I'm building my bedroom carrot and all.
But after me, I never done no reason and a build thing before. I just stop and go. So all of a sudden, they're so eager to build with me that they all come lay wait me on my yard front.
I don't talk about bedroom, I make it look so. A couple times, well, me and I build still.
Me no remember that still, but anyway, me there. So go and build. Whenever I build nothing too big, still coming up on a mission, you see me?
You know what? More keep it real in the eyes still. You already hear me and Booga reason and I'm sure me say your animal flash out.
What make Booga when I tell you something like that? And flash out go away.
After that, cat, they come deal with me like me as some imposter. Me not sure some of the reason with Booga, man. Alright, it's a boat to the flash out pan, don't it? How would I do that? Unless Booga tell me that himself.
So you and Booga really the reason about me and my flash out.
Let there not be one false word come out of my mouth. I swear, I don't get him to the talk about.
But anyway, it really no matter still, cause tomorrow me and flash out.
Oh, tomorrow. I think I did tonight.
And I should have known that if you say I am the reason.
Yeah, all if I think man him the reason about in a branch, I can't remember everything.
Hey boy, Bird, I don't want you to say a bird brain you come try use for me, you know.
Just go on the carrot. I'm tell the real reason I'm gonna jump out of the yard.
Yeah, I love hear that.
Well, you said you open the nose of the item I'm gonna flash out tomorrow. You said don't come here, I'm gonna see you. I'm just start to stand guard, just in case. And you don't know. Today could have just been the day where a man decides say what I'm broken the carrot house, you know. I'm gonna find all the money there.
When the money I talk about.
You know, Euro, Pound, US, Canadian.
Wow, in my house. You better hope so the rat them not attack him. I don't know nothing about no money, brethren. The only money me know about are the truckload what I'll get when time he reach Switzerland.
So I Switzerland, yeah, them I go.
Oh, yeah, tell me say you talk to Booga.
Nah, man, me and him the reason for real, man. I think me I mix up Swaziland for Switzerland, you know me I deal it.
Yeah. Anyway, me have to move. Me have to get packing, see? Yo, if you go down the road and say we in tie, check him and see if him still a look for a place. Cause him can't come control my ranch. But him have to come check me tonight.
Yeah, man, me definitely retain the message. And safe travel for the government, Bridget. Really and truly, I'm more like steady motion for the ocean with no commotion.
Just, me just have a bad feeling about Booga Yagga. It does look like, boy, I don't know. Then go up to character go alright. Well, at the end of the day, all me do was give him the information and then make him own a decision. And let's not forget the fact that Cat is a grown man. So I have to do alright for him. See? And as far as Booga, I know him appearance will leave a question mark and a whole heap of people mind as to what kind of tip him really depend. Well, contrary to what one or two people might have negative to say about Booga, including you, Bigger, trust me, Cat in a good hands. Boy, Bigger, I'm sorry I never reach at 20 minutes earlier, Cause I'm gonna be there. And I could have work out on the thing. Well, anyway, you still have a chance, to clear up things with them, when them come pick up Carrot tomorrow. After that, I don't know what to tell you. And Arms House, I don't sure things that already, Virgin. If boy are gonna pay me for my thing, me and him kind of nothing. I'm not trying to grow on the thing. Yeah? Well, they have to do what they have to do in a Virgin. At the end of the day, I read about Carrot. That's what I say. Carrot I left way. I'm gonna make him some gizzard tonight and some white sugar grater cake so he can carry up with him when I go up tomorrow.
Doris, I put up some ice choppies for him.
What do you mean? I must have left him.
Boy, I can't believe something I go see Carrot out there again. I keep up him antics.
Jano, I feel away. I feel like me almost want to cry. Things not gonna be the same around here. I'm about to lose one hell of a guy. See, I Lord Bob if I agree with you. It's a serious thing. Carrot's a hell of a fella. And we're gonna miss him and thing. Yo, it's not a funeral thing, It's what I them feel like. When Carrot go up, so, I feel my fortune I'm gonna collect, I don't know Carrot, how him stay. So I think will go happen when him come back. All I was said, I know that me really I pray, but I just want the them know so Carrot go good.
Even though we ever miss him, I agree with the Arms House. Carrot have to do what Carrot have to do. Can't nobody not do nothing for him.
Shiver me timbers, Captain. First mate Carrot requesting permission to go below deck to the galley, sir. Yo, who goes?
Yo, me, man, winter. Bro, just show me say you want to see me.
Yeah, man. Yeah, hold on there. Give me a minute.
Desmond, look at you. How are things out there?
Well, Mr. Mike, ever since they let me go from a little work there, You're not pretty for me out there at all, Mr. Mike. You're not pretty for me out there at all.
Well, from the looks of you, it's quite obvious. And I'm quite sure you had enough time to think about if stealing sugar from my break room was worth your job.
I swear to you, Mr. Mike, all those 4 little pink packages I not carry home for my mother, to make little tea for her, little better for her sugar.
So you say, but I'm quite sure your mother's been a diabetic for quite some time now, and I refuse to believe you've only done that once. I would hate to count the cost. Well, actually I did, and the estimated sum of 4 packets a day over time was enough for me to terminate your job here. Let me make one thing clear. The only reason I let you 2 vagabonds pass the main entrance and into my office was strictly because you mentioned something about me getting my hands on large sums of monies. And Desmond, you know, there's no fooling around with me when it comes to money. And you're quite aware of what the 2M represents in New Kingston records, I'm sure. And it still stands. Make money. More money. My money. So what is it you 2 culprits have in mind?
Well, I like this,
It's a Madrid, maybe even the talking. Mr. Mike, my name is Bird. The bird is the word, you see it? Have you heard?
What the hell is this? I'm not going to sit here and listen to street jargon nonsense. Get to the point. I'll have my security throw you out the window and say you were trying to victimize me or something like that.
Hold on, boss. Hold on. Alright. How much should I pay for some information on the whereabouts of Booga Yagga Johnny and possibly a large sum of foreign currency? How much that worth to the eye? Guys, it's there on the rock, right, you know?
Booga Yagga, that son of a... He's here? On the island?
It's Aki the national dish.
Desmond, you personally know the Saga with me and Booga Yagga. And if this is a hoax, I promise you this. I'll have you both severely beaten and thrown in prison.
Boss, me I promise you another hoax thing and I really seen the man Booga Yagga there.
Well, okay. You're John Crow. That's the kind of bird you look like to me. Have a seat and tell me everything you know. And remember, severely beaten and thrown in prison if this is a hoax. And take off those damn shades. Let me see your eyes.
Yo, me talk to you, come like say you not pay attention to me, bridge. Now we are dealing with time.
Nah, man, I listen to you, man. But every time I say a little thing like that run across your floor.
Oh, a Templeton that, man. I'm good. I'm run things. Like me I tell you before, one life you just go and stay focused. Saying, go and do a little detailing work. And I mean, the man check you and put a gun in your hand. Because you don't know, run as a set already. Yeah, how much now?
Oh, me? I'm about to turn 22.
That turn big man now. So, I'm going to see with the guitar no more. I want me to dash the music.
No, not really, you know. Like me forget another one. Cause like my stepfather, him broke it up and I talk about it's an accident.
Wow, how can I eat that thing that? So, that whole lady never rush about it.
I don't know what's going on, I feel in place. So she just have to go and hold it.
Oh, I feel in place. That's why I'm going, sir.
I say, boy, him and the next man can't live under the same roof. So I have to find my own place, you know what I deal with?
Well, seems like we have a nautical situation right now.
Nautical, I mean for say?
Nah, man, nautical. Kawa, your ship there, and my ship a sail tomorrow. I know that I wonder what can't I talk about. At least one bird will him out that time, yeah. Alright, this is how I go on. Tomorrow me a flash out. Me I go to Switzerland, see?
What?
I'm there for a minute. And I know when I come back, but I'm there for a while. Listen, I say, well, here and now, I'll give the higher start. I'll set you. I'm going to left in charge of all this. My empire, and all the things therein. Flat screen TV, bed, rocking chair, and the food I can get to before Templeton.
Then it's how much them want a month for the rent?
Rent? You know, so the place, brethren. Somebody can't want rent for this.
So I say, I'm just going to leave that stuff for free?
Well, the one that they are firing a prison, you know. And them have about 6 more years before them dip him. And even if him want come back here, so, that's enough time for that get that thing together. Because I just need a start. And they can ease off. You know what I say?
So I'm to the bicycle, what you do with it?
Start. They want me give my bicycle to Virgin. You hear me? They have come man up on a road, boy. Anything over 10 grand, and a yours. See?
Yeah man, me can't deal with that. Me get 11. I know nothing.
Well, alright. Me I left tomorrow sometime at the evening, so what I gotta do is sat there, go in the Doris them, and give her the money, and she'll give her the key, see? The bicycle there on the Doris them. I'm gonna tell her, I said, don't release it until I at least give her 10 grand. I'm gonna make her know, say, if you give her 1,000 more, cause 11 you say, see? Grown up and responsible thing, what you say?
Yo, give thanks, my general, me not gonna let her down, see?
Oh.
Like every time I tell me say you're going to do something for me, you never do it yet. But if you can't come through for me,
Behave yourself no man. Sure. Hold on there. What? You change shift for me. She don't want to give me an answer.
I work whenever I'm scheduled, and I already gave you an answer.
So you go on later.
Thanks. Same to you.
Eh? Say that so me never come through for you.
No.
You look much time you save your brother from God jail. Eh? Behave yourself, man.
Yo, I'm sorry. We just want him to know, say, boy, me a part of the plot. I mean, a little hangers on. You know what I say?
Star, me tell you, Bill, Me do the talking. And I go up their mouth. But the man get with millions of dollars worth of information. They are idiots, Star. Go ahead.
I'm not sure the answer, I'm sorry, man.
No, Star. We can't work with the eye again, brethren.
Well, them did give me something, you know, and it was a good thing. Give me a choice at the elevator or the window.
You're going work with brethren.
But uptown, I know your area. So what you do up there?
What you talk about? If we are my area. Anyway, I just do some meditation and them thing there. So right now, I'm about to get a massage and a skin peel. So me talk to you a little more, see? Matter of fact, I could come check you later. Alright.
Trigger, wagwan. Now come get that regular pampering.
Well, you know, we have to loosen up the bones then before we go to the crack to skull. So go and stay good. Alright?
You don't know.
Trigger.
Garbage in our uptown elevator. Is wagwan.
Nothing not going.
Nothing like going for me, man. Up I record to where I come from. I go check my boss about a little work.
That's all. No, for the business officer.
Then what? You know, have some business with me. But I'm to the scamming thing I'm telling us to check up on. And get back in touch with me. I never give you a directive. Get back in touch with me Wednesday. I'll tell you what you find out. What?
Why sure say the man them a move militant to the trigger. But yo, you know so the birds will get the word. Just give me a little more time, me I beg you.
Yeah, we'll give you some more time. But I tell us you need to check in every Wednesday. But you not listen. It's what? Ears I get clogged up again. You want another cleaning?
No, trigger, no.
Oh. Alright, come out of my way. Cause right now you make me late for my massage.
Tomorrow, Karen, I'm going to again, eh? But I still can't believe it. I hope it work out for him, though.
Yeah, but they done share my thing set in Booga already, you know. I even know Abs also say everything is everything. It's because of the way they deal with me and thing over my things. I can't trust nothing when the man involved in that thing until him come straight on my thing. Yeah. But for the sake of character and thing, I'll give him the benefit of the doubt and keep my finger crossed and them thing there. Yeah?
Yeah, I really hope so. Cause Carrot really deserve to catch a break. But anyway, on a different note, I know you never hear me say this before, but I'm going to say it now. I'm proud of you. Not only because you move out to the apartment and finally buy a house, but more the fact that you're ambitious to buy a house like this in a gated community like this. They got me can't nothing but proud of you. And to me, it look like say you're really serious about a long-term relationship with me. And to me that's sexy. Unless I'm wrong. But wait, I'm gonna hear so not about how me decorate the place so far. Wow, you not like it? I like a woman's touch.
The funny thing is, when we pick up them things today, things are here, place me to buy them for.
I know. I don't want to surprise you. You deserve to spend some money for yourself. Nobody surprised if you look more, I come kiss you up a little bit.
Cutie, I like the corn thing, you know. But the flowers been on away on them thing there. Jano is like a woman living and thing, yeah?
Oh, excuse me. A bachelor party want it look like? Okay. Imagine. One like a time I try to treat you like somebody. What you do? You flip it back and make me feel like a fool if you assume things. But it's alright though. You can have your bachelor pad. Matter of fact, you can drop me off because my house comfortable and me own it.
How can I take this? Yo, chow. Cutie.
Just try about the things here to involve me in a nasty life. Bachelor pad and me I think about long-term relationship. I feel like a real jackass.
Yo, how can I think I need a cutie? Yo, all them things I don't like, you know. You never say nothing about no bachelor pad and them things, eh? It's not like a joke thing. But I love flip things.
Me not flip things. And that me interpret.
Well, I misinterpret my thing. If you give me a chance to finish what I say and them thing there, you hear me say, you feel like a woman live here. But I don't want the feel thing. I want the real thing. I'm not gonna say, I make Dinah rent out the place and come move with me and thing. But it seems like it's up an habitual styling thing. Cha.
Now me even feel like a bigger fool for misinterpreting them way there and I should have known better. I'm sorry, bigger. You really want me to come stay with you?
Wait, what kind of thing this? How that?
How me for know? And don't they tell me so nobody know which part you live.
That me say, nobody not supposed to know which part me live on them thing there. Except Arms House. Yo, prep out that thing. Yo, how can I take this?
It look like Booga Yagga.
How can I think you talk about? Booga there my yard.
Yeah.
Yo. So what I say? You ready for dealing things proper? Yagga. Big man thing. Respect. Booga. Look off the can thing now. Can I hold on the nice thing? It's all first.
Well, alright. That is how you're going to treat someone that has done so many things for you. Okay. No, I am responsible for his popularity, and any earnings he makes, based on that popularity, I deserve a percentage. We're talking millions here. This is not just robbery, this is grand larceny. Yes, but this is robbery as far as you are concerned. And according to law, he didn't physically or electronically take something from you. So on what ground would I arrest him? Wow. Imagine, my own brother-in-law can't even say eye to eye with me that I was robbed. Even after the life I've given to your sister, the things I've done for your parents, and you, and this is the thanks I get. And to think, you're not even concerned enough to try to even give me an angle, like say, tax evasion. What about that, Well, if you can provide evidence or a paper trail of such monetary intentional deception of the government, then you might have a case. But if not, I suggest you leave this Booga fella alone. Come on, man. Michael, I'm watching your business, you know. But even if this man rob you 1,000 times, him still can't have as much as you have. Him can't have as much as you have. The enough for you think him cheat you out of, still can't enough what you have. You is all money and new money put together. Come on, man, get over it. How could you call yourself family and be so ruthless? Just get over it, you say. To a man who you know would not hesitate to slam on his brakes to rescue a 5-cent piece from the middle of the highway. How could you be so heartless? Let me break this down for you. Booga was charging $1,000 per dub plate, and he only accepted euros, pounds, or US. Each sound had to cut a minimum of 5 dub plates. And from the good sources I've heard, he would not even attempt to show up to the studio unless you had at least 10 sounds lined up. And this went on non-stop for at least 8 years. You do the math, please, because if I do it for you, I'm going to uncontrollably start bawling like a baby. So please, don't you ever tell me to get over it. Come on, Michael, all of it is speculation, unless you have tangible evidence. You said that I'm ruthless, but if I was married to your sister, I probably would have had you arrested for implying that I use my men for your personal goon squad. You don't know what basically you're asking me to do is kidnapping. To have my men take this man, rough him up so he can tell us where money is for you? Huh? And on top of it, you're calling me on government phone with this foolishness, as if you want to send me into a scandal and mash up my career as commissioner. Michael, take my advice and leave that Booga Johnny fella alone. Anyway, I have to get on another call. And what? Booga, you son of a... I'll get you yet. Point blank.
time I reach out Switzerland and touch the stage, trust me, them places are not good again.
That's a carrot. A straight judgment.
No, sir.
Carrot, my pre-artist. Say me reach Switzerland and them thing there. No man, I'm too far from Booga, you know. Stick with them man, because the man are legit thing the man they are dealing. Just stick to who you know, and you're good to go.
You know, some of have a cousin up there. And I love it there, because I link them up there.
Then what kind of food them have them place, the carrot? Oh, you gonna work it out?
Wanna know how I gonna work it out when all of them Swiss girls start flocking? That me wanna know.
That me I talk about. I don't know what's a carrot there for the girl them ears and the woman them eyes. And we don't discriminate by race nor size. So nothing wrong if a snow bonnet or two want itch up on carrot side. Yagga.
Wow, that's sure you
Hey, all I got in that carrot. They got two like light skin, man. Them like them black like tar. So I know how you gonna work that out with them over there.
Yeah, it's all good. Once them get past the skin color, them a go find out say it gets no blacker than me. Oh.
Bigger, me there in das, Booga. What, them come check you. Yeah man, Booga overfix things. No, everything is everything. Yeah. Now that me not tell you, but you want to hang on for some like a long time grudge. But anyway, I'm glad the island sort out on the thing. So Bigger, Booga gone from a no good coot to a good youth. Cute.
Bird, me have an idea, you know. Maybe if we can locate Booga, I apologize about the plot. I tell him some Mr. Michael for him. Maybe me I'll pay with for that. What you think?
I have a brethren. I don't care what I want talk and I want things still now. Cause thanks to you, me back to square one.
So it seems those two vagabonds were telling the truth. And there's that carrot fellow. That other son of a bitch. He's definitely waiting on someone or something. Well, let's see what. Or who.
Let's get this right. You have a cousin in Switzerland, but you don't know nothing about him. You just hear say you might have a cousin in Switzerland. So what you want carrot for the now? Go around and ask everybody you meet if they know about a cousin named Oki, a sell sky juice a yard. Ain't naughty. You know say a madness that.
You see how you Mr. House?
Yeah, me know. Straight judgment. Lightning and thunderball and things of that nature there. But what? It's still madness.
Okay, now watch nothing. If we see nobody will look like the eye, we just check them on that. That's all.
Give thanks to Nigel. Don't make a move till now. I'm going to the road.
Yeah, man, you don't know.
Go on a Scotty bar, man. But there you go up the road.
You see how you Mr. House?
Straight judgment.
I wanna forget lightning and thunderball. Yeah, short change me. Carrot, I'm just because I'm not playing on a fly pan. I go up on a private boat. You don't have to worry about no weight. So I'm going to pack one bigger box here, alright, with some breadfruit and some more things. You think I help me in the kitchen?
Yo, me have a big box of egg plum, you know. You want them? What you mean, man? Any kind of food I can keep. And if you can't keep, me go and eat it on the yacht. Yo, Doris, give me the egg plum them too.
Sam's house. Our time Booga supposed to come and thing. I have to go to you know. I want to mix thing with Ratty. I don't know if the man ever book out and thing. So I can't cancel. Well...
Booga Yagga Johnny, after 8 years, you're finally in my sights. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time.
Garrett, why should I think say you're gonna ask me in Switzerland next year and them thing there now?
Wow, it's a big thing that, man. How come?
Why should I get back my visa and them thing there now? And Booga say my plan a little tour thing. So you don't know a thing set. Garrett, bigger, Booga on tour? Who could have anything more?
Real talk.
Yes, tell Darius to come in with the thing what she have to carry now. Because we don't want to hold up Booga for too long. Because I'm not for move.
Darius, carrot a push. You ought to bring in the thing. Can't believe something I left my family here.
It's all this carrier creep up them way, yeah. How this?
Mr. Carrot, you're leaving, I see. Without even a call, a text, or a tweet. So what about that contract we spoke about last week? I made you a great offer, but still you ignore me. Or is it because you've now become chummy with my old friend, Mr. Booga, Yagga Johnny? Or Booga Yagga Nemo? More befitting, don't you think? So we meet again. My old crony. Why don't we go somewhere more suitable for discussing business? Say my office. Over a glass of brandy, perhaps? Just so we can go over the numbers, come to some type of agreement and you can finally make it right. You can rest assured I'll be fair. Or we can take it to another place, which I can assure you will result in you catching 1 or 2 rounds to the face. And I wouldn't even think twice about putting an end to this Booga Yagga saga once and for all. So what is it going to be?
Yagga.
Booga, wait for me. See me come back here. Booga, pull over fast, let me jump in.
Big man, what you need? Come lick down people. I want to you.
Talk about that whole until the police.
No, I just
If Booga Yagga Johnny gets away, I'll have you all arrested and thrown in jail. Out of my way immediately!
How can I take this? I'm like it's a lynch mob thing.
Yo, the boy, they mash up my life already, you know. I must mash up my life again and beat him.
Well, you see, as much as them boy they have it coming, you know, I support the lynch mob thing. Plus, some arm and dangerous. I don't want to hurt nobody around. Yo, on the back off, remember? Fierce, so what going? How would they shoot? Man, they get shot. A little madman just fire 2 shots in the air and drive off.
Then which part Booga there? A him fire shot?
No, not him fire shot, let me know. Like me say, he's a little madman. But as far as the Booga Yagga there, and what am I going to do right now, that's a big question.
Those bloody fools. Because of them, now he's gotten away. Or maybe not. Maybe he is heading for Rocky Point, like those 2 culprits said. I know a shortcut. I could possibly head him off with Pickle Key.
It's like I say, every time there's a little light in the dark for me, somebody else have to come put it out there. Why me here? Why?
You won't get away this time. You booger, you.
head back and stunt them. And me rush it with the knife. Yeah, Booga show myself from the first dub plate him do to the last dub plate him do before him flash out and go to Switzerland. Him amass $2.5 million in a foreign currency and him never spend a dime on it. And of course, you know, so him couldn't left the country on a commercial flight or ship with such a large sum of money. And due to the fact that he's a rich man wife, him a run off with, him never ever need the money at the time. So he just stash it and left it in care of one of him key virgin who never touch a dime on it neither. Everything did alright at first, you know, cause the husband is still a supporter. Until him find out so should I get Yagga by Booga, him clap down on the purse. Booga never want to say this, you know, but me know. So if him can't support her lifestyle, she gonna left him. So I saw him come down to Jamaica enough, come dig up him little treasure, so him can go and support her. So Carrot wasn't really a priority, you know. It was more like an afterthought. Or something possibly beautiful could have happened if it did work out. You know them way there? Booga's main focus was to take this private boat here, get him money off of the island, cause once he make it to Switzerland, you know, him can bank it, invest it, no questions asked. Or at least that's what them say. And as far as Carrot, I feel a way still, you know, cause me get him hopes up, Uncle Phil get let down again. But, what am I gonna do? Why should I say Booga give me a little link and thing? If a little thing I work in a Swiss embassy and them thing there. So you spend time go for my thing. I'll see if she can work on a little thing for Carrot and them thing there. Yeah? Oh yeah, the 2 hour here and Booga here do that plan. Me should I get all a visa too, cause me a manager. But you don't know some not get a cool like me no visa. When them did say Booga says a link, so maybe she can go all the time, but it spend on the link. Ain't bigger? What do you think? What kind of thing you ask about Sweet Tap? I don't know her. I never meet her yet and thing. But when time I do link up with her, I can reason with her about your thing, yeah? Well, a lot in the future still, you know. But we have a bigger issue in the right now. Cause Carrot now know where to stay. And him done say him now go back on the deal with Winty. And even if him never give Winty the place, him say him now go back there so go live. So you see, until we figure out something permanent, we have to go rotate the host then, see? Well, I don't know what's the weekend out of the question for me. Cause the uncle have 2 days there and drink it to stay at her yard. Cause she work all week. Some couldn't have Carrot pan top her them way there. Sweets up a couple months before your old lady come back. So you're supposed to can definitely help out with some of the hosting. Face, yeah, and Darius have a nice pull-out couch down the front room. And we know say him good there, sir.
Straight.
So between all the way, we know say Carrot now have to sleep on road. Why you say bigger? You want to help carry some of the load? No, I can't deal with them things there right now. You don't know some of the things that are away. What kind of thing I deal with in Arm's house? Here, when you can go and deal with the hosting thing, while me go and work on the visa thing for him, yeah? You don't know. It's a 1-bedroom thing with cutie and them thing there, yeah? Joke me I make, man. I know you know them on them thing there. I can't there. Just go and work on the visa thing for him, see? Well, I could just hope so him get over it quick and accept the fact that everything sink. For now. At least. I don't bother take it too hard. You know what I'm way there?
Straight.
Yeah, serious thing. You see my mother? She love Carrot down to the earth. If you want, him can stay with me first. Well, it look like say at least we have Carrot temporary living arrangement sort out for now. Now we need to go and go sort out some things before Andreen come home. Yo, just show him if you come shout me up and him come outside. See it? Yeah, sure thing.
You know, so while me brush off the second plate of food, me I think to myself, so it never work out. I never get for go. But look what me still get for do. Me get for still live on a beautiful island. No ice, no snow. With all the things and the people what me love and me know. And even though it's rough by me, most of the time, me know so me blessed to have people like Uno in my life.
Anytime.
And tell me, which part else in the world I go? go get Darius due peace with Oxtail and Basman to rise. If Switzerland did happen, it would happen. And if Switzerland a go happen, it a go happen. But as of right now, right here, right at this time, when I stop saying, you're so nice. Delicious. Yagga, yagga.
I know that it's PS's hands. She's still with him. Booga Yagga!
This is the JDF. Drop your weapon immediately.
Booga Yagga, you bastard. Come back. Come back.
What the hell is this? Saga.
I guess now Hans will find out about this. Also, it doesn't matter. We won't need his money anymore, yeah?
Yeah, Yagga, Yagga.
He said,